Create a solid affiliate marketing campaign with this advice. An affiliate marketing program can be a great way to earn an extra income through your website. However, there are a few techniques and tips that will help you maximize this strategy to make it really work for you. The information presented here has been used by others to generate success. Do something every day to further your internet affiliate marketing business, even if it is something small. This incremental approach will move your business forward while keeping you from getting burned out or discouraged. Soon, your business will start to pay off without it seeming like a lot of work. Seek out multiple commissions. Many companies offer several different ways to earn revenue, even from the same customer. These companies are some of the best to work for, because they offer you several ways to gain income from a single person. Read all contracts available and try to choose one with this option. It helps make earning money quicker. Make sure your affiliate programs match the content of your blog or website. You will have a lot more click-throughs and results when you have a product that your market has an interest in. A page dedicated to the fashion industry is not going to have as much luck selling printer toner. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, a great tip is to become involved in online communities. Therefore, join different message boards and forums. Make connections with many different people who may be interested in your products, and include a link to your site in the signatures of the forums you have joined. With this video, we hope you have learned how you can start or enhance your affiliate program to increase your bottom line. Stay on top of new marketing information as it comes to light in order to remain current. Affiliate marketing can be a nice addition to the income you are already making with your site. You can easily accomplish two goals with one action. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.